Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much. Fiddle Leaf Fig has botanical name Ficus Lyrata. Fiddle leaf figs come from the tropical jungles of West Africa and can reach at least 40 feet in height. The fiddle leaf fig belongs to the Moraceae family, just like the Ficus elastica, which is also known as the rubber plant. If given the proper care, fiddle leaf figs can grow a couple feet every year. This diva plant prefers lots of filtered bright light, and you can water this plant when the top 2 inches of soil is dry. These plants prefer warm and humid climates and are also sensitive to drafts. Therefore, keep them away from air conditioning units and other sources of drafts, as too much exposure can cause the leaves to drop. This plant also is a symbol of tree of peace and abundance, and the seeds in the fruit represents unity and universal understanding and knowledge. Some people used fig fruit for conditions such as constipation and diarrhea to kind of ease the pain, and the leaf is also used for conditions such as diabetes, high cholesterol, and skin conditions. They said that the sap or the milky sap of this plant can be used for any skin conditions such as warts or eczema or atopic dermatitis. So if you have pets, unfortunately this plant is not safe for them, as it can cause stomach irritation if ingested. So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something from today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you and your loved ones today and always. See you then!